your camp.
You can talk to each other, children. Yes?
Yes.
Hello, friends now.
Ishali, you can. Oh, Ishali, be careful with the scissors. Ishali, give it to Mama, okay? Yes, you can say hello to Ishali also. She's a new friend of yours.
See you. Doctor.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Ishali. They are saying hello to you.
Hello, Isali.
I think it's Monday morning and your friends are still not joining you. They're sleeping. All of them are sleeping, I think, still.
Must be tired on Sunday.
Anyways, I think we'll start, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that when they join in, we'll continue. We'll tell them what we did, okay?
No.
So let's mute everybody so that you can hear what we say, okay? Just a minute.
Okay, you see, look there.
Okay, so shall we start this beautiful Monday morning with a beautiful prayer? Okay, so let's fold our hands and do the actions as well. Okay, children, come on, let's start. God bless mommy, daddy too. God bless me and God bless you. Bless the children here today. Bless the children far away. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high. You can't get over it, so deep. You can't get under it, so wide. You can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Then we'll also say, good morning, it's time to say good morning, it's a happy day. Before we play, it's time to say good morning. Namaste, namaste. It's time to say namaste. It's a happy day. Before we play, it's time to say namaste. Now we'll say in French also, okay? Bonjour, bonjour. It's time to say bonjour. It's a happy day. Before we play, it's time to say bonjour. Now we will say in Mandarin, okay? Mandarin. This is a language spoken in China. So let's say Ni hao, ni hao. It's time to say ni hao. It's a happy day. Before we play, it's time to say ni hao. And one last in Spanish, okay? Hola, hola. It's time to say hola. It's a happy day. Before we play, it's time to say hola. So, how did we say hello? We said good morning in English. We said namaste in Hindi. We said ni hao in Mandarin. Then we said bonjour in French. And we said hola in Spanish. Wow, so many new words you learned today. Great, children. So every day we'll say good morning in these languages, okay? So that by the end of the week, you will remember all these words. Now, before we start, let's take out our Monday morning blues. So let's all stand up. We are going to do all the actions that all the animals had done in Eric Carle's book. You remember? From head to toe. So let's all stand up and do all the actions. Let's move around a little bit and then we will sit down again. So what are you going to do? You're going to turn your head like a penguin. Come on. Turn your head like a penguin. Turn your head.
On your head.
Then you're going to bend your neck. Bend your neck like the camel. Come on, bend your neck. Bend your neck like the camel. Then we are going to raise our shoulders like the buffalo. Raise your shoulders like the buffalo. Yeah. Then wave your arms like the monkey. Wave your arms like the monkey. Clap your hands like the seal. Clap, 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 clap. Then thump your chest like the gorilla. Come on. Thump, thump, thump. Then arch your back. Your back. Okay. Bend down like this. And arch your back. Okay. Great. Like the cat. Now we are going to wiggle our hips like the crocodile. Okay, Navya. Yes, Ishali, come on. Wiggle our hips. Come on, Avnish, let's do all the actions. Good morning. Wiggle your hips. Now bend your knees. Bend your knees. Bend your knees like the camel. Then what are you going to do? Kick your legs like the donkey. Kick. Kick your legs like the donkey. Kick. Kick your legs like the donkey. Very good, Navya. Well done. And now you're going to stomp your feet like elephant. Elephant, stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Okay, well done. And now you're going to wiggle your toe like that boy had done, okay? Let's wiggle our toe. Wiggle your toe. Good, good, good. Well done, everyone. Well done. Now let's sing the song for that, okay? Let's do it. Hands on shoulders, hands on knees, hands on knees. Hands on your hands on shoulders, hands on knees, hands on knees. Hands behind you, if you please, if you please. Hands behind you, if you please, if you please. Touch your head, touch your neck, touch your arms and your chest. Touch your head, touch your neck, touch your arms and your chest. Hands on your legs and hands on your feet. Hands on your legs and hands on your feet. See what you learned in the book. Okay, very good. Now let's do our hop hop bunny song and sit down again, okay? Namrata ma'am, would you be doing that? Okay.
Yes. Yes. Come on, let's do Hop Hop Bunny song. Come on. We'll hop, hop, hop like a bunny. We'll hop, hop, hop like a bunny. We'll run, run, run like a dog. We'll run, run, run like a dog. We'll walk, walk, walk like an elephant. We'll walk, walk like a jump, jump like a frog. We'll jump, jump, jump like a frog. We'll swim, swim, swim like a goldfish. We'll swim, swim, swim like a goldfish. We'll fly, fly, fly like a bird. We'll fly, fly, fly like a bird. We'll sit right down and have lots of fun. Yes, we'll have lots of fun now.
Okay, so now our Monday morning blues have gone all away because we have moved around, we have moved our body, and let's start the main thing. We're going to read a new book today, okay, children? And this book is very funny. The name of the book is There's a Rocket in My Pocket. And this book is by a famous American author. His name is Dr. Seuss. Okay, his name is Dr. Seuss. And in this book, you will have all rhyming words. What do you mean by rhyming? Now, if we say pain, now there should be one word which has the same ending, okay? Gain. So we are doing the rhyming words, and these rhyming words are silly, silly rhyming words. So once you read the book, you'll understand, oh, these rhyming words are so silly. And then I'll tell you something else. First, we'll read the book, okay?
Let's read the book.
Can you see it, ma'am?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, now we can see it.
Okay, children. So we are going to turn the page one by one, and we are going to read the book, There's a Rocket in My Pocket. See, it's a rhyming word, rocket and pocket. Pocket is a correct word. Rocket is the silly word. Now let's start reading one by one. Okay. I'm so excited to read this book. Let's start reading. There's a rocket in my pocket by Dr. Seuss. So funny. And now let's turn the page and read. And a window in my window. So funny, right? Window in my window. And a nook gaze in my bookcase. See, all of them are rhyming words, very funny rhyming words. Let's turn the page again and let's see what is coming next. We are turning the pages one by one. Did you ever have a feeling there's a waistcoat in your basket? There's a basket in your basket. See, it's again rhyming. Silly rhyming words. And this is how we will be reading the book, you know, because all these words are silly and correct as well. Or a neuro in your bureau. See, this is the neuro and this is the bureau. Or a wasset in your closet. See, the wasset. Can you see the wasset in the closet? The boy is going all around his home and looking for different things. He's finding all silly things in his home. It's so much fun. Let's see, let's turn the page again. Sometimes I feel quite certain there's a Jurton in the curtain. See the Jurton. Can you see the Jurton? He's hiding. You can see him in the curtain. Sometimes I have the feeling there's a Zlock behind the clock. Look at this Zlock and the clock. My, the boy is looking for all silly things in his home. All these are rhyming words, okay? Let's turn the page again and let's see what is there in the next page. Are you ready to turn the page? Okay, the page is being turned now. And that Zelf up on that shelf. Look at the Zelf. He's there on the shelf. I have talked to him myself. Ooh, the boy is looking for all silly creatures in his home and he's rhyming the words. Let's turn the page. That's the kind of house I live in. There's a nink in the sink and a zamp in the lamp. Look at the zamp and at the nink. And they are rather nice, I think. Some of them are very friendly, like the yacht in the pot. Look at the yacht. But that yottle in the bottle. Some are friendly, some are not. Oh, he's finding some of them are friends with him, some of them are not friends with him. And that, okay, what's that? I like the gabble on the table. Gable on the table. Look at this. And the gear under the chair. But that sofa, but that bofa on the sofa. Well, I wish he wasn't there. Look at the bofa and the gable on the table. All silly creatures. See, he's looking at all around in his home and he's finding all the silly creatures. So funny, right? The rhyming words, they don't mean anything. All those nubbirds in the cupboards. Look at these nubbirds. They are good fun to have about. But that Noothgrush on my toothbrush. Him I could do without. All the nubbirds are there, and this is the Noothgrush on his toothbrush. The boy doesn't like him, but what to do? He cannot do anything. So let's turn the page again and let's see what's coming next. The only one I'm really scared of is that bug under the rug. Oh boy, who's that? Even I'm scared looking. I cannot see him, but it looks very scary, right? And that chimney up the chimney. I don't like him, not at all. And it makes me sort of nervous when the Zol scoots down the hall. You cannot see them. They're looking very scary to us, right? They're very funny. But it's okay. These are all imaginary. Imaginary means they are not real, okay? But the yeps on the steps, they are great fun to have around. And so are many other friends that I have found. We have all these yeps, they're sitting on the steps. And the boy has found so many friends all around, like the teller and the neller and the geller and the deller and the beller and the weller and the zeller in the cellar. Whew,
Oh my
look at these. So many friends they have. Boy is so happy that he has found so many friends. They're all playing in the cellar. Cellar is another room that you find in the house, okay? The boy is super excited to have them. And the gelling on the ceiling. And the zower in my shower. Look at this. This boy is happy to find all his friends. And when we are doing our activity, I'll ask you about your friends also, huh? And the Zillow on my pillow. I don't care. If you believe it, that's the kind of house I live in. And I hope we never leave it. Okay. So Dr. Seuss, what has he said? The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. So this was Walk It in My Pocket. So you have to read, huh? Reading is fun. Who likes to read books? Who has many books in their library, school, in their books? Who likes to read books? You buy books?
I love to read.
I also like to read.
Well,
So you should read lots, okay? Because the more you'll read, the more you'll know. Very good. That's why we are having this summer camp, turning pages, so that you can read many books, you can do many activities. So I think everybody is ready to do their activity. We are going to make a Walk It in My Pocket. So this is how it will look, huh? Funny one. So you have your ice cream stick with you? Do you have your ice cream stick with you? Or if you don't have an ice cream stick, you can also take a cardboard stick. Huh? That is also fine. So now let's do everybody's favorite. Let's start painting it. Let's start painting this ice cream stick. I have already painted mine. You can paint yours also, okay? And paint nicely so that it looks beautiful. You can take any color that you want, any of your favorite color. We are making a Walk It in My Pocket. Let's make a Walk It in My Pocket.
wow. Let's paint it.
These were all the rhyming words. So rhyming means it has the same ending. Each word has the same ending. So one word was correct and one word was a silly rhyming word, okay? So paint nicely. Painting is good fun. Paint it, and once when it is drying, we are going to play a game. Okay. So first you paint it and then let it dry. Then we can play a game. Paint it nicely. Yes, Ishali, you can do that as well. You can roll it and paint it. We are making a pocket in my pocket. Navya is done with the painting. Okay. Paint nicely. Okay, children. So Navya, you want to tell me your friends' names? How many friends you have? How many friends you have? Many?
How many friends? Tell the names of your friends firstly. One. How many names? Avi. Anaya. And Agam. And Jian.
Wow, so many friends.
And
You
your
have
best,
your camping friends also now.
yes. Your best friend name is?
What did she say?
She's saying Seshali is also my friend now.
Yes, your camping friends, right? You have Avnish, you have Ishali, Anaya, you know from school, right? These are all your camping friends.
She's
Summer
her
camp.
best friend. She's her best friend.
Anaya is a best friend. Oh, great. He's happy to see Anaya. Okay. Good. So we just wait for Ishali to complete her painting. Till that time, I'll ask Anaya her friends' names. Okay. Anaya, can you tell us your friends' names? You can unmute yourself, beta.
बोलो देखो जोर से बोलो जोर से
Okay, you have the same friends, I think. Agam, Avi, Navya. Okay, great. Big group, huh? Very good. Yes. Yes, Ishali, I know you're doing your favorite painting. Loves to paint, right? Very nice, very nice. Let it dry now, okay? So, Avnish, you want to tell us your friends' names?
तुझ्या फ्रेंड्सची नावं सांग इकडे बघून
Avnish.
माहिती तुला कोण नाव सांगते सगळ्यांची सांग बरं सांग कोण आहे
Jian. And
आपल्या इथलं कोण कोण
from your home?
पायल आणि चिनय आणि वीरा
So many friends. Payal, Chinmay, Ira. Okay, great, Avnish. So you have friends at home and friends at school as well. Great. And Ishali, can you tell us your friends' names?
Friend name? Who's your friend?
My name is Ishari.
And your friend name?
Friend and then friend.
Don't have any friend.
Yes, friend.
Yesterday you met your friend, na, in the park. What was his name?
Yes.
Tell to ma'am. What was his name? Your friend name?
I didn't know.
You don't know his name? Vian.
We are here.
Vian. His name is Vian. Okay. So say now when you go to the park, you ask him, hello Vian, how are you? Okay. So let your paint dry. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Ishali. So let your paint dry, and we are also going to do one more poem that we had learnt about with Namrata ma'am, right? So let's do that as well. So let your paint dry, and then we'll do the poem, and then we'll do the game. Okay, then your paint will dry completely till that time.
Children, we learned a Hindi rhyme while we were doing our tiny seed story, right? So let's again sing that song. Okay, I'm going to sing and Yashashri ma'am is going to repeat after me. So at that time you sing along with her. Okay, children? Yes? एक छोटा बीज जमी के अंदर था,
एक छोटा बीज जमीन के अंदर था,
आँख बंद करके वो सोया रहता था,
आंख बंद करके वो सोया रहता था,
टिपुर टिपुर बारिश जब बीज पे गिरती थी,
टिपुर टिपुर बारिश जब बीज पे गिरती थी,
सरकते 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 वो सरकता चला गया,
सरकते 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 वो सरकता चला गया,
एक समय आया जब सूरज ने प्रकाश डाला,
एक समय आया जब सूरज ने प्रकाश डाला,
सूरज की किरणें बोली अब तू बहुत सो लिया,
सूरज की किरणें बोली अब तू बहुत सो लिया,
बीज बीज ने ली अंगड़ाई और वो उठ गया,
बीज ने ली अंगड़ाई और वो उठ गया,
इधर उधर देख के वो नाचने लगा,
इधर उधर देख के वो नाचने लगा,
एक छोटा पौधा अब वृक्ष बन गया,
एक छोटा पौधा अब वृक्ष बन गया,
आस पास गांव में वो छाव देने लगा,
आस पास गांव में वो छाव देने लगा,
छाव देने लगा,
हा हा छाव देने लगा. Good. And now we did nice poem, we did nice dance, not dance, but we did a recap of all the songs that we have learned last week, right? So now let's do game time. Now what you will require in this, wait, let me put it on spotlight. Yeah. So you'll require bowl of rice, okay? And you'll require your gems in that. Mix it nicely. Mix it nicely. So you are going to find gems, precious, precious gems. Wow. It's so much fun, right? But there is a twist in the game, huh? First you mix everything in the rice. Mix it nicely so that you cannot see the gems. It should be covered with the rice. We are going to do gem hunting now. Gem hunting. Everybody's covered it? Everybody's covered it? Once you have covered it, give me a thumbs up, okay? Then we'll continue with the game. Avnish, you have your gems with you? No? What you can do, you can take some chola or watana and mix it in the rice. If you have that, that is also fine.
Something of different color than the color of rice, okay?
Maybe rajma or something like that. Some pulses if you have. Okay, I think we are done with the mixing. And now, if you have a cloth, Mama will tie it, okay? And you will have 2 minutes to remove the gems from the rice. And we are going to check it out. If you can, without seeing how many gems you can remove. Okay. So with a cloth, you can just tie your eyes with a hanky or whatever. This is a fun game, and I think you will enjoy it. So when I say start, that time only you can start, huh? So let's start. 1 minute.
Yes, are we all ready?
So is everybody ready? They have tied their, okay, 1 minute, huh? Okay. So let me share the screen and we are going to look at the timer. When I say start, that time you have to start. Okay. And then you have to tell us how many gems you took out from that rice bowl. Start. Come on. You can start. The sun, this is a different fun thing. Come on, let's do it. Parents, please take photos of your child doing the activity. If you don't want to put the cloth, close your eyes, okay? Close your eyes. Don't open your eyes. If you don't want to put the cloth, close your eyes. Great, everybody. Come on. The sun is setting and it's going to be night now. Before that, we have to find as many gems as we can. We are on a gem hunt. Okay? Let's do it. Come on. Let's do it. If you don't want to put the cloth, you can close your eyes as well. Having so much fun playing this game, right? You're going and hunting something. We're on a gems hunt. When the music comes, that means your time is over. Come on. Find. Fast. After you find the gems, you can eat them as well. Okay, after the class. That will be your prize for finding the gems. Come on. The sun is almost setting.
Yes, come on, quickly. Let's see how many gems you all have got. Very good.
Closing your eyes and doing this activity is so much fun. And we can see everybody is doing it very nicely, huh? Great. The sun has set and it is night time, and now it's over. We can stop. The moon has come up. It is night time. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. How many did you find? Count and tell us how many you found. Okay. Very good, Anaya, Ishali, Avnish, Navya. Well done. You did so nicely. I'm sure you had fun playing the game.
Let's ask everyone how many gems they got.
Yes, let them count and we'll ask. Navya is counting. Wow, you found many gems. Naya is counting. Good. Ishali is also counting.
Very good. Count it on your own, children, okay?
Okay, Avnish has done with the counting, I think. How many was there? How many cholas? How many we can call? 10. Okay, good. And Navya, how many you have?
18.
Wow, 18. So many. So many things you can eat. Ishali?
16.
Now only she started. Okay. Oh, that's the fun, right? Ishali, how many?
Listen to ma'am. What does ma'am say?
Did you count, beta?
कोई बात नहीं. Tell ma'am how many you counted? 16. It was 16, right? Tell ma'am 16. Ma'am को बोलो 16.
1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 20.
Okay. As per Ishali's counting, it is 20, and as per Mama's counting, it is 16. Okay, okay. Okay, Ishali, thank you. Thank you. And let's see how many Anaya did.
19.
19. Very nice. Okay, so nice counting and nice searching for your gems. So after the class, with Mama's permission, or whenever she tells you you can eat it, you can eat it. Okay? Okay, thank you, Anaya. Now let's continue with our craft activity. We have all painted our ice cream stick, right? Now, if you have feathers or if you have colorful paper strips, you can use that as well, okay? And we are making a wocket. There's a wocket in my pocket, and stick it. Even I will stick it. 1 minute. Yeah, glue with the glue. We will stick it. If you don't have feathers, you can use this colorful paper, strips of papers also. That is also fine. Now, I'm also going to stick the feathers, okay? Let's stick the feathers.
Wow. Wow, very nice.
Rocket, very nice, Ishali. Naya is also doing it. Navya is doing it. You can choose whichever feather you want. Okay. I had already made this one so that you can also see how it looks like, and I'm also making one with you. Wocket in my pocket. So everybody, if you're done with sticking of your feathers, you can stick your eyes, googly eyes, or with your sketch pen, or if you have those round circles, if you have made it, that is also fine. So I have the googly eyes, so I will stick the googly eyes. If you don't have that, you can do with your black sketch pen as well. Or if you have made those small circles, that is also what you can stick. That is also fine. Having so much fun making this wocket. There's a wocket in my pocket, and that's why we are making this craft. See, I'm sticking the googly eyes. If you don't have the googly eyes, you can make with your sketch pen as well, okay? Very nice, Navya. Looking nice. Ishali is also sticking hers. Avnish is going to stick his feathers or strips of paper. Okay, good. So yes, you're done with that. Then what you can do, you can make a mouth, a smiling face for the wocket. Like this. a smiling face for the Wocket. Smiling, so that your Wocket is always smiling and not being sad. And then we can also make a small triangle if you want for his nose. This is our Wocket. Simple and easy.
Wow, it's looking beautiful.
Navya, very nice. How many feathers did you stick? Lots? Okay, very nice, very nice. Three feathers. Okay. Anaya is also making hers. And this is our Wocket. Now, you remember what is the rhyming word for Wocket? Pocket. Now, what you can do, you can take any envelope if you have and put it. This is your pocket, okay? And put it inside. Put it inside the envelope. If you don't have an envelope, if your pant has a pocket, you can put it in that also. So see, there's a Wocket in my pocket. Let's stick the Wocket to the pocket.
Wow. Very nice, children. Wow, Anaya. I can see a very nice Wocket. Very good, Navya. Avnish is still making it.
My Wocket is in my pocket. Nice, Navya, very nice. Now, if you want to decorate your pocket with your crayons, with your paints, you can do that as well, okay? To make the pocket look more colorful. If you want to do that, you can do that. If you don't want, it's okay. But I would like that we can do some coloring on the Wocket. Sorry, pocket. Wait, even I'll take something to do any. It's not necessary you have to color it. You can just make lines. You can make curvy lines. You can make zigzag lines. However you want, you can do it. You can do with your paint. You can do with your sketch pen. You can do with your crayons. I'll do with my sketch pen.
Very nice Wocket.
Let's decorate our pocket. Very nice, Ishali. Very nice. So we can make all zigzag lines. We can make smiley faces. Then what we can do? We can make curvy lines so that your Wocket looks more beautiful. If you want, we can do with crayons. You can do with your sketch pen. Very nice, Avnish. Now put it in an envelope. If you have an envelope, put it in the envelope. Okay. And you can also make the eyes and the face for the Wocket. You can make stars. You can make whatever you wish. Your marzi. Your wish. There's a Wocket in my pocket. I made like this, simple. I made stars, I made zigzag lines, curvy lines. You can write your name also there. Okay. Whatever you want, you can decorate it with. If you have stickers, you can use that as well. If you have any stickers, you can use that as well. No problem. So this is a Wocket in my pocket. Don't forget to do nice decoration of your pockets. Wow, Ishali. Your favorite painting you did.
Wow, very good, Ishali.
Nice. Very colorful. And parents, please do send photos of your activity. It's real fun to see them. Very nice, Ishali. Very colorful. Just like Ishali. Navya is painting. Yes, Navya. Do. Anaya, you did your decoration of your pocket? And you know, you have one homework for today. So see, you did your rhyming words, right? Walk it in my pocket. So now you have to find a silly rhyming word for your name. So tomorrow, even I will find one silly rhyming word for my name. Namrata ma'am will also find. And then tomorrow we will tell each other what silly rhyming word you found for your name. Okay? Okay? Just like my name is Yeshashri, I can say there's a Yeshashri in my Meshashri. So see, silly rhyming word. Okay, Avnish, there's a homework for you. Find a silly rhyming word for your name. Just like we have walk it in my pocket. So let's see how many silly, which silly word you come up with for your name. Okay. So we are busy decorating. Yes, Avnish, very nice. Now you can, if you have, you can put it in an envelope and decorate it. Very good, Navya. Nicely done. You can stick that pocket in your pocket, so that it doesn't fall down. All right, children? You can stick this pocket in the pocket with sellotape or glue, whatever you have with you. If you don't have an envelope, you can stick it in your pants pocket also. That is also fun.
Very good, children. Yes, Avnish, are we done with the craft?
Yes, he's done with it.
Okay.
If
Nice.
you can put it in an envelope also afterwards, okay? If you have it. If you don't have it, put it in your pants pocket.
Very
Well done, everyone. Very nicely done. So now, because you did your craft work so nicely, we are going to, okay, we have, Anaya is done. Or shall we wait for her? Okay, Anaya is also done. Now, what can you, all of you do? Hold your craft work. Can you bring it a little down? Everybody, can you show your craft work to all of us together? Come on.
So
Avnish,
click a nice
let's see
picture.
it. Let's see it. Yes. Avnish, can we see it? Very nice. Very nice. There's a pocket in my pocket. Even I'll show you mine. Where is mine? Okay. Even I made my pocket in my pocket.
Very good.
So tomorrow also we are going to do one nice craft for Dr. Sue's book. But now we have game time. Before we leave, before we do a dance session, we have a nice game time. Okay.
Yes.
So everybody, you have a newspaper with you? Any old newspaper? Now what you're going to do, tear it. Tear the newspaper and we are going to make balls out of this newspaper. We're going to crumple the paper and make nice balls, okay? Crumple it and make 10 balls. Make 10 balls. Crumple the newspaper and make 10 balls like this. Crumple it. You remember we had played the soft toy game where you had to throw it in the basket. Now today we are going to crumple it and throw it in the basket. Crumple these balls and throw it this in the basket. Okay, children. Tearing and crumpling is a good activity for your fingers. Okay. The fingers will become more strong. The balls can be of different sizes. No, it's not required that it has to be of the same size. Crumple the paper balls like this, okay? Crumple, crumple, crumple. Let's crumple, let's crumple.
Very good, children. Excellent. It's a nice fine motor activity. Will make your fingers and hands strong.
Once you're done crumpling like this, then you tell me, okay? Once you're done crumpling, you're going to play this game again. Play the game. We'll start playing the game.
Crumple, crumple, crumple.
I'll set the timer also again. For this game, you will get how many minutes? 1 minute. Okay, children? You'll get 1 minute for this game. The sun is going to set and you will have to do you'll have to see how many balls you can throw within 1 minute.
Wow.
So let me
Once you are
set.
done throwing, after the session, please pick up the mess also, okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
Don't make
Yes.
mama do it, okay?
Everybody has to be mama's little helper.
Yes.
Helpers.
Everyone has to pick up their own mess, right?
Now you can bring a basket or a bucket, whatever you have with you, okay? You can bring a basket or a bucket. And you have to stand at a little distance and throw the balls. Then you have to count how many balls are there. So when I say start, that time only you start, okay? Not before I say. 1 minute. Let me share the screen. And when I say start, when we see the timer, that time you have to start. So everybody is ready? Anaya is already ready. Navya is, I think, setting her things. Avnish, you are ready, right? Stand at a little bit distance. Ishali is also ready. Okay, don't stand near to the basket. Stand a little bit far.
Very good, children.
Navya is also ready, I think. Okay, so Ishali is ready. Okay, now Avnish is also ready. Come on, now let's start. Let's start. You have 1 minute to throw. Come on, let's throw it, throw it.
Very
Throw
good.
in the basket. Very good, Anaya, Shali. Come on. Let's do it, Avnish. Yes.
Sun is setting.
Don't stand near the basket, huh?
Stand at a distance and throw the ball.
Let's do it. Come on.
Very good, Anaya. Very good, Ishali, Navya. Very nice.
Everybody's having fun throwing the balls and we are going to count how many balls landed in the basket, okay? Nice aim. Everybody has a nice aim. Come on, let's throw it, Ishali. Come on. Good girl. Well done. Okay, correct. Anaya is also throwing. Fine. Well done, everyone. It's night time now. We can stop.
Yes, we can all stop now.
Game time over.
Very good.
Good. It's night time. And now count. How many balls did you throw in the basket?
Oh, Anaya, I can see so many paper balls. Very good.
And you can show us on your fingers, okay? Because now after that we'll do our dance time as well.
Yes, show it to us on your fingers so that we come to know how many balls you all have thrown in the bucket. Anaya is counting, Navya is counting. Avnish is also counting, yes. Very good, Ishali. Come on, let's count. Wow, Anaya, I can see so many balls. Very nice.
And once you're done, okay, Anaya is saying how many, Anaya?
Bolo.
10. Very good. How many, Ishali? Ishali has thrown how many?
Come and tell ma'am. Chalo, aao, jaldi aao. Ishali, come here.
Ishali, come on.
Come on, help.
You have to tell your friends. You have to tell us how many balls did you throw.
हाँ भी चलो पहले आप बताओ मैम को how many balls लो come on जल्दी से बताओ how many balls did you throw
100?
100? Oh my
1000?
God.
how many
Only one?
how many
5?
please tell ma'am
You
ma'am
don't?
will clap for you then
Okay,
हाँ,
no problem.
clapping
Shali,
करेंगे
can you say tomorrow? Will you say it to us tomorrow? No, right now?
yeah she will say
Okay. Okay, thank you, Ishali. You count and you tell us afterwards. Okay, let's ask Navya in the meanwhile. Navya, how many, beta? How many?
10.
Wow, everybody has a nice aim, huh? Good.
Very nice.
And how much? How many, Avnish?
Amnish?
6. Okay, good,
Okay,
good.
very nice.
Well done. So let's clap for your friends. Clap for your friends. Let's clap for ourselves. Very good. Well done. Now, after the class is over, please pick up the mess that is there, huh? Don't make
Yes.
mama only do it.
We are
You are going to be
children
mama's
now.
little helpers.
Yes, we are big children and we are independent as well, right? So we play and we pick up our own mess, right? Okay. So now
So-
let's dance. Come on.
We are going to do the freeze dance, okay? And when they say freeze, that time you have to stop. You should not move. Okay? So this is called the freeze dance. Now let me start the music. Everybody standing? Okay, Avnish, come on. Let's do it. Let's do the freeze dance. Oh, well done, everyone.
All
So
good
nicely. Played this game very nicely. The freeze game, the freeze dance. Now we can all sit down, okay, and say bye-bye to our friends. And find a silly rhyming word for your name tomorrow, okay? We're going to ask you silly rhyming word. Now say bye-bye to everyone. Anaya?
Bye-bye.
Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say
Say
goodbye.
goodbye.
Now
Time to
it's
say
time to say
everyone
goodbye.
goodbye.
Tomorrow.
You flying.
And send a photo of your bucket in my pocket, okay? Bye. Bye, Anaya. Bye, Shani. Bye, Bye, Namrata ma'am. See you tomorrow, everyone.
Maya, Ishali, Nakra, Avnish. Bye bye. See you
Have a
tomorrow.
nice day, everyone. Enjoy your day. Bye. See you tomorrow.